Hey Herb, I got your envelope. It says dirt in it. I'm wearing a mask and goggles because God knows what you have in your dirt. And then I made these slides. Put two slides together, and I made a little flap out of tape. See the tape between the two slides? So that way I can put the dirt in there and like fold it over like a little trap, you know? So I don't get dirt all over my room when I go in there and use the microscope. I think I feel a plastic bag in there. Yep, plastic bag of horse dirt. So he's looking for mites, like on his horses. That's why he sent me the dirt to look for mites with my microscope. Think I'll find any? A hunch I'm not gonna find any, or they'll be dead, and they'll be like little mite parts, and I won't be able to tell if they ever were mites. Are they horse mites? Oop.
Okay, Herb, this is your dirt at 100 times magnification. And we can scroll around. Some of it's so thick that the light won't even go through it, so you can't really tell what's what. I tried to spread it out a little bit so you could kind of get a better idea of what's what. So far, I have not seen anything that looks like a mite or a bug. What's that thing? It's like a piece of silicone glass or something. Yeah, kind of uneventful. Don't really see anything too exciting in here. This is dirt from my brother's horse ranch. He's got like, I don't know, 6 horses or something like that. And he wanted to know if I could find any mites in the dirt. What's that thing? Little round, translucent thingy. See if we can make that a little bigger. Bonk. Okay, so that's the next one up, which is 40 times 25. So that's like, what, 1,000 times instead of 100 times? 10 times 10. Yeah, so that's 1,000 times magnification, 25 ocular, 40 objective. And that is I don't know what that is. Could be like some kind of egg, I guess, or something. I don't know. I don't see any critters with like legs and protuberances on their noses for sucking blood, or I don't know what mites look like. I know I've seen a mite, like in nature films or YouTube videos. So I think I'd probably recognize one. I've seen a lot of microscopic bugs over the years, like I said, in nature videos and whatnot. You know, the scary videos where they make these little bugs look like crazy big monsters. They're really scary looking. So, stop me if you see a bug. You can just hit pause if you see a bug, I guess. So that's your dirt from your horse farm. And so far, I have not seen anything that looks like a mite. I don't know what those little translucent looking things are. Whether they're little silicone type rocks, like glass rocks, but they seem to be translucent compared to some of the other, like that thing, that big round dark one on the left that I'm focusing on right now. That's not translucent, but the ones to the right obviously are. So I suppose those could be little, I don't know, larvae of mites maybe, or maybe just little round pebbles of silicone glass. Like these look more like little round pebbles of silicone sand, what sand is made of. You know what's interesting about sand is sand from the Sahara Desert cannot be used to make cement because it's like I think it's too perfectly round and it won't turn into cement. So they have to use sand from the beaches in the ocean, and that's kind of fouling up a lot of beaches and the erosion process and all that business, because they use a lot of sand for buildings, the foundations and whatnot. But just to reiterate, we are looking for mites for my brother's horse ranch. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, is that same thing I saw before? If it's not, then see, I think that's a piece of like silicon sand. I don't think that's a larva or egg. But I don't know. I'm no entomologist. Maybe I will be though after this business. And that's it.